How to remove Marketplace from Facebook app? For that, you have to open your Facebook application and make sure to sign into your Facebook account. At the top, you can easily find out the Marketplace icon. So, in order to remove it from our Facebook account or the app, just tap on three-line menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you need to select gear icon at the top of the screen. On the settings and privacy page, scroll down and you have to tap on navigation bar. Now select customize the bar at the top of the screen and here you need to locate marketplace under available shortcuts and tap on auto. Now you have to choose hide which is at the bottom of the screen and under hidden shortcuts we have placed marketplace here. When you go back from here and refresh the Facebook accounts page, at the shortcut panel, you can see that we have successfully removed Marketplace from Facebook application. So that's how we remove Marketplace from Facebook app. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.